Welcome to Lozano Carpentry INC, your trusted partner for high-quality carpentry solutions. With 16 years of expertise, we specialize in providing reliable services to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your spaces. Our core services include deck services, siding services, windows and doors installations, renovation projects and cabinets installations. Located in Middletown, New York, we are dedicated to delivering durable and efficient solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. Contact us today at 845-741-9993 or visit our website at Lozano Carpentry INC for expert consultation and more details. Trust Lozano Carpentry INC for professional service and outstanding results.